Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a gold skin filter on CapCut. So here you just need to import the photos that you want to edit and then go to filter, and here swipe until you find nature and choose on the clear. This one's right here, and then adjust it to your liking. I'm going to adjust it into around 80, and then click on the check icon and then go to adjust. Here go to adjust and set the brightness into a -8 and contrast into around a -5, and then the saturation set it into 11, and exposure set it into -10, and then the sharpen set it into 12, and then go to highlight and set it into -20, and then click on shadow, set it into 15, and last the temperature, set it into -5. Okay, and then click on the check icon, and if you see the difference, so here is without the gold skin filter and here is with the gold skin filter. And then after that you can just set the filter for all of your photos like this. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.